This is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. Hopefully you guys having a great evening in America. My Asian brothers and sisters who are just starting our day. Woo! Keep safe, guys, and hopefully everything is all right. God bless all of you. Thank you for being here in this stream. Thank you for watching this video. We got lots to talk about today. We're going to talk about December price predictions for Doge, and these price predictions are based on the Plan B model, and we're going to see how the Plan B model and the prices for Bitcoin and how that's going to affect Dogecoin. And we're going to give you some realistic, not hype, pie in the sky kind of like the pink unicorn predictions of where Dogecoin is going to go. We're going to give you some down to earth, realistic predictions for Dogecoin, and it's something that you can set your eyes on. So remember, this is not financial advice. Everything you see in this video is for education and entertainment purposes only. Do your own risk management. This is absolutely not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. We're also going to talk about some breaking news from PayPal. We're also going to talk about the general situation with Americans in investing cryptocurrency. What is their sentiment and how they feel about that? So without further delay, let's jump into the markets. Then we'll jump into predictions. Then we'll talk about some news. So let's jump into the markets right now. So right now you guys can see that the total market cap is 2.15 billion. Let me give this a quick refresh. So yeah, it's 2.15 million, and our volume is 63.37 billion, and our Bitcoin dominance is actually going up rather than down. So this is not a really good sign. We really need to see Bitcoin dominance to go down, and then that way we'll see more money moving out of Bitcoin and moving into the altcoins. And as you know, Dogecoin is one of the top altcoins. So let me give this a quick minty refresh. So right now we can see that Bitcoin right now is up 1.5%, and it's at 49,792. And Bitcoin has a huge resistance level at 50,000, and we're going to look at the TA in a minute. And we're also going to talk about what is a bull flag, because we see a bull flag forming on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, and on Dogecoin, and these are really bullish indicators. So we're going to drill down what is a bull flag, then we're going to look at it from a technical perspective. All right, so you can see that Bitcoin is just having trouble getting past 50,000. I know we're all getting pretty anxious. I really see, I'm having a feeling that we're going to see probably in September, we could see September a bit of a pullback. Not a major pullback, but we could see, I think in September, we could see a 10% full pullback, a 10% consolidation through most of the month. And then in October, that's when we'll have our explosion. So guys, be prepared to have and see probably a 10% pullback across all the cryptocurrencies, not only in Bitcoin, but across the board. I hope I'm wrong. I'm begging I'm wrong. So let's see what happens. Ethereum right now is at $3,258, and it's still moving in positive territory. ADAs it hit all-time high again last night. It hit $2.84, and it's at $2.80. So Cardano's on fire right now. Where will Cardano stop? I don't know. Definitely, I believe $3 is coming in really soon. By the middle of by the middle of September. Get your months right. By the middle of September, we could definitely be seeing easy $5 coming in. I think it's based on the the parabolic growth. We got the smart contracts coming in. We could easily see $5 coming in for ADA. So ADA is one of the altcoins that you want to keep an eye on. Also, we're going to talk about a couple altcoins later in the video that I think you should be keeping an eye on for this month and for the rest of the season. BNB is also up. BNB is basically it's flat, and it's trading at $452. It's still off from its all-time high of $691. It's off about 34% right now from that. And my Doge in the house right now it's off 57% from its all-time high. And we're trading at 31 cents and 31.5 cents or 31.5. And that's down just slightly 1%. I think we're going to be pretty much range bound, and we have this bull flag that's forming, which is a pretty bullish indicator. Hopefully this will be enough to take Bitcoin past 50 and take Dogecoin past 35 cents, which is my prediction for the end of August. So hopefully that happens. I mean, right now, the way things are looking with Dogecoin, I think we really have a 60% chance of that happening, and 40% we're going to break down below 30 cents. So let's jump into the technicals, and then we'll jump into the predictions. So right now we can see that if you look at Bitcoin, we have what we call a bull flag. Here's a pole, and there's a flag that's forming. So typically, if we look at if we go to Investopedia, and this is a really good site for all you guys that are new to charting. Go to Investopedia. This is a really good website, and they have some educational stuff where you can go and actually learn about how to read charts and do all that stuff. So right now we can see that a bull flag is forming. So what is a bull flag? A bull flag is a pattern. A technical analysis is a price chart characterized by a sharp counter trend, the flag, succeeding a short-lived trend, the flagpole. And a bullish flag appears like an upward flag on the price chart with a rectangular price pattern making the flag itself. The tighter the flag, the better signal that would be. So we're definitely going to be seeing, and here's some examples of what a flag pattern is. And you can see here, if we go back to the Bitcoin chart, you can see that definitely we have a bull flag forming. And a bull flag is often a very positive sign, and we usually get a breakout. So we should be seeing a breakout coming pretty soon, a breakout to the upside, and we could definitely be seeing anywhere between 5 to 10% breakout. So we're seeing a very bullish pattern here on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin right now is trading around about Bitcoin has just broken 50,000, so that's really good. This is the Binance one-day chart. So remember, what I just showed you is a consolidation of all the different exchanges. So we're just above 50,000. So this is a very bullish trend. And once again, this is a bull flag pattern, and this typically indicates a very bullish trend. So I think from that perspective, we could definitely be seeing Bitcoin probably going up to $51,000 to $52,000 today if we continue to move past this $50,000 resistance. So this is really key. So let's take a look at the Fear and Greed Index. Let me give you a quick refresher first, and don't forget, hold on guys, we've got some huge price predictions coming. You can see right now the extreme greed is actually moved up. Yesterday was 76, and now we're moving to 79. So you can still see that there's a lot of positive sentiment, and the FOMO is about to start, guys. The FOMO is about to start. As soon as Bitcoin gets over $50,000, you're going to see people FOMOing in like never before, and you're going to see huge price rallies. And I think this is going to continue. And I think, around about the middle of September, we're going to have a bit of a 10% to 15% pullback. So guys, just buckle up for that. And don't panic. When you see this pullback in September, this is a good sign, because it's going to be a little bit of consolidation. We're going to make higher lows, and then we're going to explode up to the next leg. So you can see in the rainbow chart, let me give this a quick refresh so you know that this is not Photoshop. This is so you can see we're getting closer and closer to the FOMO intensifiers. We're getting closer and closer. So this is probably your last chance to start to hodl, start to dollar cost averaging. And this is probably your last chance to be buying Bitcoin at these prices. And remember, typically this is a 4-year cycle between each Bitcoin halving, and when the Bitcoin halves, then that's when we have a bull, and then the balance of the 2 years before the next halving, you often have a bear. So we're still in a bull run, and this is the second phase of this super cycle, and it's going to be foamy, it's going to be frothy, and things are definitely going to be going to the moon, guys. Woo, definitely going to the moon. But guys, get prepared that December, I think will be the peak. December, January will be the peak, and then after that, you're going to start to see things start to come down. Where do I see Bitcoin going after this bull run is over? You could see Bitcoin going down as low as $20,000 to $29,000. So the key is timing the top and knowing when to take your profits. So, for example, if we time the top of this cycle, let's say December 31st, so this is a good time to exit some of your positions. Not all, but exit some of your positions, move it to stable coins on the side. This is not financial advice. And then wait probably 3 to 4 months after we hit the top, because that's when you're going to start to see the lows. Because remember, the bear cycle can last for anywhere from 12 to 18 months. And leading up to the next halving. And then when we have the next halving of Bitcoin, then you will see that's when things will take off. So just keep that in mind, and that's kind of a trading strategy. And as we get closer and closer to the top, and we start to see that this bear cycle is over, I'm going to tell you what I'm doing and how I take my profits and what I'm doing. So you guys need to stay tuned for that. So that's really cool news. So right now, let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is, pretty much forming the same kind of pattern as a Bitcoin. We have this flagpole here, and we have the flag itself here, and the pole is here. And this is often a very bullish, a very, very bullish indicator. And typically what happens, you're going to see a breakout. If you look at the top of the flag to the bottom of the flag, then this will be the next breakout point. So if we measure from here to here, then you can see that, let me get that, come on chart, come on. Let me get that from here to here. And let me turn off that dotted line. All right, so you're going to see that we should have a measured breakout from about there. So that should take us up to the next resistance level, which is around 3,400. So this is indicative of our next resistance level. Should be, our breakout should be to 3,400 in the next couple of days, if this bull flag formation is correct. And I think, and it looks, I think it's correct. It looks like a bull flag formation, and I would say that we're probably going to be going to the upside pretty soon. All right, guys. So let's take a look at, let's take a quick look at ADA. ADA is absolutely on fire. It's at $2.80 right now. Let me just go back to Ethereum, update the prices for you. So right now you can see that Ethereum is trading at 3,263, and we have resistance at 3,281. We need to get past that, stay past that. Then our next resistance level is at 3,400. So like I said, I think we're going to have a breakout from this bull flag formation. I think it's going to be positive and pretty interesting. Guys, stay tuned. We got a huge price predictions coming up, guys. So don't click away. Keep watching the video. So let's get back into ADA. ADA is absolutely on fire. There's no stopping it. Where it's going to go, nobody knows. I definitely think that we could see, $3 coming in this week. Definitely. This is not financial advice. And we could maybe even see $5 coming in after the Alonzo smart contracts have gone live. So, who knows? I mean, right now, ADA is pretty much in price discovery mode right now. So it's just going to keep on keeping on. Let's look at Solana right now. Solana is having a bit of a pullback, but it's found major support around this level here at 72 cents. So I don't see any problem. I think we'll be going sideways for a little while. Then we're going to break past this resistance and go back up. And hopefully we'll head up to $80 area, guys. So for my Doge, Doge in the house. Doge is doing something pretty similar. We're seeing a nice bull flag pattern here. We're seeing the top of the flag here. We're seeing the bottom of the flag here. And if I take a measured move from the top of the flag to the bottom of the flag here, I see that we could be definitely seeing this kind of movement soon from here to here. And that will take us up to around about 36 cents. So it looks like we could be going up to 36 cents shortly if we break out. But what we really need to see is we really need to see Bitcoin to break out past 50,000, and then we're going to have that confirmation there. So that's what I see. It looks like a bit of a bull flag. There's a pole here. The pole, we can extend it to almost here. And let me get, and then yeah, it looks pretty much like a bull flag. I would say technically 60% yes, 40% no. It could form another pattern in the next couple of days, but it's looking like a bullish pattern. And you can see how Dogecoin, it always forms these, it kind of, it's been forming these downward trends, and it goes up, a downward trend, and then goes up, a downward trend, then goes up. Now we're forming another downward trend. We're printing higher lows, but you can see we go up, we go down, we go back up, we go down, we go back up. And here we're going to start to go down a little bit, and then we're going to start to print higher lows. But it all depends on if Bitcoin's going to break out or not. All right. So with that being said, let's take a look at the price predictions for Doge. This is a Plan B model right now in front of you. So if you see where the Doge price is at 32 cents, we're looking right now. This is a Plan B model, and this is where Plan B he's predicting. And this model has been going back since 2010. And this is a very accurate stock to flow model, and this is one of the premier indicators of price for Bitcoin. and this has been pretty accurate over the years. And what they're saying is that August we could see, this is worst case scenarios. August worst case scenario 47K, and that's absolutely right. It's absolutely done that. September we could see 43K as absolute worst case scenario. Remember, I'm telling you, we could see a bit of a pullback in September. Then in October we're going to blast off and see 63K. November 98K for Bitcoin, and then 135K. Now keep in mind that Ethereum and the altcoins tend to move much faster, much higher than Bitcoin in both directions. So if Bitcoin is printing a bullish indicator, then that would mean that we could see something coming along the lines of, if we take the current price of Dogecoin right now, so let's take the current price of Dogecoin right now, which is 31.5. So if we take 31.5 right now, and we times that by about 3x, that's going to give us my price prediction of around about 94 cents. So definitely, if I just 3x based on the Plan B model here, 135. So right now, Bitcoin is trading at 50, so we call it, so it's actually 2.2. But as you know, the altcoins tend to move much faster and much higher. So let's just call it 3.5 ish. So if we times by 3.5, that gives us a price anywhere between 94 and $1.10. So my prediction, and this is not financial advice, this is my personal prediction, this is just my opinion. I'm predicting that we could see Dogecoin coming in on worst case scenario for December at 94.4 cents, and the best case scenario would we be coming in at $1.15 for December. This would be my Christmas target, and this is so we got that range between 94 and $1.15. So hopefully that makes sense to you guys. Hopefully that's something that's make you really excited. But once again, you can go to Plan B, look up Plan B on Twitter, Plan B, and he's been pretty accurate in terms of his modeling. And as you guys know, Dogecoin right now is fundamentally following Bitcoin's pattern, its highs and lows. So it's fantastic news that Bitcoin has just broken past $50,000. So that's really bullish news, guys. You guys should be really psyched. We're also seeing, once again, ADA is on fire. We're seeing Ethereum is also looking positive right now in Asia. So the Asian tigers, the Asian dragons, are taking it to the next level, guys. So let's just jump into some quick news. Right now, as you guys know, PayPal launches crypto services for UK customers. So this is really fantastic news. This is great news. You're going to love it. I love it. So this is going to be rolled out this week. So if you're a UK customer, UK resident, you can actually, have cryptocurrencies and hold and sell cryptocurrencies on PayPal. I'm sure that their fees, remember, PayPal is not doing something for nothing. And I'm sure that they're going to be, their fees are going to be much, much higher than if you're buying or selling on some of the big exchanges like Binance or whatever. So just remember, if you are going to use PayPal to buy crypto, please check out the fees. In my previous video, we talked about the fees. So watch out for the fees. Okay, so Dogecoin to the moon, guys, and Doge is definitely going to get there. So let's take a look at some 5 cryptocurrencies to watch out this week. BTC, as we talked about, BTC has just passed 50,000, so that's really bullish. Hopefully it can stay there. This is a really key level that we need to break past. We've just broken past that. You've seen that live. So I don't know what's going on. Every time I turn on the video, things go up, not go down. So that's really good. Some other coins that you want to take a look out for right now, which I like, is ADA. We all know about ADA. We all know that we got the smart contracts coming out. Definitely $3 could be coming in very shortly. Definitely, this is not financial advice. Definitely by the 12th or 13th of September, when the smart contracts come out, we're definitely going to be seeing $3 coming in. Where do I see ADA coming in at the end of the year? $10 is absolutely possible. Other coins to be looking out for is Aave. I'm gonna pick up some Aave today, some more. You can see that it's it rallied from $18 August 17th to $50 right now, and that's 173% increase, as you guys can see here. And I still think there's a lot of room in the tank. I think this could be going up another 100%. So guys, keep an eye on that. You can see this has just been a huge parabolic rise for AVAX. and who knows? I don't think it's going to stop. I think it's still got a lot of room in the tank. Other coins to look out for is Cake. Another one to look out for is Atom. So those are some of the top coins that you want to be looking at right now. But I would definitely, I'm pretty bullish right now on Bitcoin. It's just broken past 50 cents. ADA is a no-brainer, and AVAX. Cake and Atom, I'm kind of so-so on that. But definitely BTC, ADA, AVX would be something I'd be looking at. This is not financial advice. And also, something really interesting, 37% of all American investors would not cash out their crypto even at critical moments. So you're seeing that many of the average Americans, Joe Public and Joe and Nancy Drew out there, they are saying that they've got diamond hands, and they're saying that 1,000 digital assets investors to conclude that a big chunk of them, 37%, would hold their crypto possessions at all costs, and 51% further said that they don't find even luxury purchases as tempting as reasons to cash out. So we're seeing that a lot of retail investors right now are really having diamond hands, and that they feel and will not cash out their cryptocurrency. Baby boomers, that's me, right? Baby boomers are the group that has invested the most in cryptocurrency market, while Generation Z ranked last. Male Americans have an average amount of $1,940 worth of digital assets and seem to have a greater interest in the matter than women. So women tend to have a little bit less in terms of financial, in terms of digital assets, and that's around about $1,375. So you can see that, Joe Public now has changed, and I've been talking about this, that fundamentally the mindset has changed. They understand diamond hand, dollar cost averaging, hodl, and waiting for life-changing wealth. So this is the retail investor now has become much more mature than it was before, because before people would easily panic, people were easily skittish and shy, but we're seeing that people are having diamond hands. And the researchers also point out why investors decided to jump into the crypto bandwagon. The vast majority, 75%, stated they believe that digital assets value will increase in the future. 32% find crypto as a way to diversify their portfolios, while 24% think it will gain strong returns. So there's a number of reasons, and some of the other reasons why people are also looking to buy crypto is because of social media and online forums appear to have a significant impact. And these forums are like Reddit, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and then also influencers like Elon Musk and stuff like that. So guys, hopefully this has been intuitive, insightful, and you can see that we're looking at a 94 cent to a $1.15 Dogecoin coming at the end of the year. We're definitely looking at $135,000 Bitcoin worst case scenario based on the Plan B model. And this Plan B model, he's typically right, typically correct. So you guys can definitely bank on 94 cents to $1.15. This is not financial advice. So with that, guys, being said, please follow me on Twitter. Do it right now, guys. I really appreciate that. Smash the likes, subscribe, EYB, and don't forget to check out my links. Go to Zen Music Addict. If you need to find your soul, chill, relax, go to Zen Music Addict. Great music, help you sleep, help you meditate. Go to the channel, support the channel, become a Patreon member. All of these links are in my description. Buy the channel a coffee, and check out the merch, guys. We got tons of merch right now. We got the hats, we've got hoodies. We got T-shirts. We even got hoodies for women in pink. We got pajamas. We got the American flag T-shirt, and also we got other merch like face masks, hats. We got the mug. Who wouldn't know the mug? We got water bottles. We got pillows. We got mouse pads. We got iPhone cases. We got socks. We got tons of stuff, guys. So get on over. Pick up your merch. You want it. Remember, all of the coffees, all of the Patreon, all of the merch, it all goes to charity, guys. You know that. I know that. So I just want to say God bless each and every one. I love you guys to death. This is a fantastic day to be alive. Woo! See you in the next one, guys. I love it. Thank you so much for being here. This is OG, the Ric Flair of crypto. Woo!